Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently in bed just relaxing, and I made some cereal that I'm gonna eat while watching some Netflix. So it's after 11 now. I woke up early to start filming. I already filmed 2 videos and they kind of look okay, so hopefully I like them enough while I'm editing to upload them. But yeah, my phone's on 10% now, so I just came to sit next to my charger while eating and watching Netflix so I can film more videos. This vlog is going to be pretty boring. We're not gonna do much. We're just gonna hang out around the house together, if you guys don't mind. Sorry guys. Okay, is that good? Okay. So today, so far, I filmed some hairstyles using my extensions from Better Length. I did a couple hairstyles using the extensions, and guys, I'm so obsessed with them. And I'm just so happy because it's more of like a natural kind of look. I love sew-ins, but it looks like a sew-in, you know, it looks like a weave. This, I feel like people like, they're confused, like, is that her hair or is that, because a lot of people have asked me so far, like, is that your hair? And I like when that happens because that means that my weave or my extensions look like it could be mine, you know, and that makes me happy. I feel very productive and I'm not as tired as I usually am on the weekend, and my cereal's gonna get soggy. Currently in bed right now. Don't judge me for eating here, it's my bed. Anyways, I'm eating Frosted Flakes. But yeah, I'm gonna just eat my cereal and watch some Netflix, and I'll see you guys later on today when my phone is a little bit more charged because I need to film a lot more videos and I don't want it to die, so. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's literally what it's really like when I'm in my room alone cleaning or doing anything, just having a private concert, doing my thing. But before I forget, you guys, go follow my new Instagram page. I'm gonna put the name here for you guys. I made a new Instagram specifically for like my YouTube family, only because on my original Instagram that you guys, some of you already follow, I don't post things about YouTube there because it's kind of like my private page with my friends and my family and strangers, people I don't even know. So I don't really want to post my video stuff there. Also because no one really knows I make YouTube videos, and I kind of want to keep it that way for now because I'm kind of like cringy about it. I don't know, it's really, really weird. It's public, it's open, you don't need to request me or anything. And I'll post like new uploads there, like hair tips, beauty tips, basically. I think I only have like 60 followers so far, but a lot of you guys have followed me already, and thank you. And I really want you guys to go follow me there because I think it might be easier for us to communicate with each other on that platform, being that you just send me a DM and I see it. And I also want to use that platform to announce things like giveaways, which I'm going to be doing one very, very soon. I want to do one for my 10K milestone, which is a milestone of mine, 10K, but we'll see. But yeah, follow me so you guys can know what I decide to do. But yeah, it's a very chill day today. I'm gonna start dinner right now, actually. I wanted to do like a beef stew, but it takes 8 hours to cook in the slow cooker, and it's already 2 o'clock. So if I were to make it now, I'm not gonna eat until like 10 o'clock at night. So I may have to switch that plan. Yeah, I had the beef defrosting and it's not even defrosted yet, so I'm probably gonna have to make something completely different, but I don't want to. Anyways, dinner, what are we gonna do? So this is the slow cooker. I think a family member gave this to me and my roommate together, so I don't know. But it looks like this. And you just pop the vegetables and the meat and stuff in it. I've never made this meal before. I don't know how to do it. I saw it on Pinterest and I'm like, that looks delicious. So I'm gonna try a thing, you know. I'm gonna do a little something. Okay, so I'm gonna make the stew. It's 2 p.m. right now, so it should be ready by like 6 or 7, hopefully. That's what I'm shooting for. I have the meat in the sink. Sorry, my kitchen area is a mess. There's so much stuff on the counter. But I got these little packets from ShopRite. I just saw this and I was like, let me get it, because maybe it'll help me, because I don't know how to season the meat for a beef stew. It's the seasoning mix from slow cooker to table. It's a hearty beef stew. Ingredients are a lot. Garlic powder, spices, caramel color, onion powder, paprika, beef stock, vinegar, red wine. Great, it has everything. Obviously, I'm gonna put my little Jamaican twist on it. I have this bag of I have some sweet peppers, I have red, green, and yellow, and I have some onions in here as well. And I'm gonna put some Scotch bonnet because you can't do it without this. You need this. You need this, okay? And I have some scallion, need this. And I don't have any more thyme. I wish I did, but I don't have it anymore. I have some dried ones, but it's not the same, but it's gonna have to work because then while I'm cooking, I'm gonna sip on my coconut water. Guys, I love this. And you guys are in the fridge, I'm sorry. So far, I have the meat on the stove just browning a little bit, and then I have the vegetables over here. I'm just getting them a little bit soft before throwing them in there. So while those are cooking, I started to make the beef sauce thing from the packet, the one that I showed you earlier, this one. And it smells delicious, okay? It smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. And I mixed it in this like measuring cup. And I'm just gonna throw this in the pot as well. And I'm gonna put the meat inside here as well. And I'm just gonna push it down a little bit so it can soak in the beef thing that I just mixed, like so. Make sure that the carrots are fully submerged in the fluid as well. So I dropped the potatoes in here. I'm gonna add like one more, and then I'm just going to add some more water because I don't feel like this is enough. Put a little bit more in here, like that. And to finish things off, I'm just gonna add this little Scotch bonnet pepper. I think I washed it, but let me wash it again just in case. And I did put it on high. There is no timer because I'm gonna be home, so I'll just check it every 2 hours or so to see how it's doing. But I want the meat to be extremely tender. And I just seal it, and I'm gonna leave it here to cook and do it. But yeah, I'm gonna check my work emails really quickly. It's a Saturday. I don't know why they're sending out emails, so obviously something must be wrong. So I'm gonna just log in really quick and see what's going on. So I'm just gonna check on this. It's really hot. So it's Monday morning. I'm about to do my makeup. Just have some coffee and a plum here to munch on while I do this because I don't have enough time to make breakfast and all of that. So my foundation is a little bit dark, but I don't really mind. I just look like really chocolatey today, so I love that. I always love that. So that's what's going on. But good morning. I did not vlog on Sunday. Today's Monday morning, if you didn't already figure that out. I'm heading to work. Yesterday was a really bad day for me. I basically stayed in bed because I got my period and it was so painful, you guys. So painful. I never felt it like this before, or it hasn't been this way for a very long time because I've been on the pill, so that pretty much keeps it under, you know, keeps it toned down. But I switched the brand that I was using because the brand that I was on, you guys, I was starting to feel crazy. Like I was crying every day, just really emotional. So I told my gynecologist, like, listen, something is wrong and you need to fix it because I'm a Cancer and I'm already really emotional, guys. Think about an already emotional person times 100. Like, I really felt like I was going crazy and it was just really, really bad. So I switched the brand. The brand that I'm on now, emotionally, I feel normal. Like, I feel like my normal self, but the period cramps are back and I feel like World War III is going down in my pants. It's just crazy. I've never seen it like this before. I don't know if it's just like my body's way of readjusting to things. I don't know, but I don't want this. I'm sorry. Last month it was the same way too, but I thought maybe it's just like, you know, I switched the brand, so things are starting to get back, you know. But again, no. But yeah, doing my makeup right now, then I'm gonna go get ready for work. I have some coffee right now, but that's only coffee number one. I use this blush by MAC. It's called Pinch Me. I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush. I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheekbones. And I try to apply it very high, so kind of like going upwards. I try to push things up now. Like, I learned that from a Vogue makeup tutorial. I love those, you guys. I always watch them. I just think the women are so beautiful and each has like their own unique way of doing their makeup, and it's just always amazing because I learned so many tricks from them. And I'm gonna use this exact same blush and I'm just going to apply it on my lids. Another trick that I learned, and I basically just applied this there just to kind of give my eyelid some color, and it's going to match my blush as well. You guys can't really see because the lighting sucks over here right now, but all right, guys, don't think I'm crazy. I promise it looks okay. Guys, there's this hair just sticking up. Like, do you see how my hair be acting? Like, why are you doing that? Okay guys, so this is the makeup so far. Really like fresh faced and just awake. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this coffee and basically go take 5 minutes of like breathing exercises because I feel like I'm giving birth right now. This is the flat, really nice, and I'm just wearing these blue jeans. They're the most professional jeans I have. And they look like that. And my top. And my top is just this regular black shirt. I forgot where this is from. I think it's from like H&M or Forever 21. And it's just really nice, I think. And it just hits me right here. And I could tuck it in if I wanted to. But I don't want to, so I'm just gonna leave it loose. Now I'm deciding what scent to wear. Oh, that smells good. I forgot how good that smells. This is a Chanel Chance. I smelled it on a girl a long time ago and I had to get it. Sometimes I hate it though, like it's very like different. Like sometimes I hate it and cannot wear it, and then sometimes I'm like obsessed with it, like now. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna end this vlog here. Oh, the sun feels so good. I'm gonna end this vlog here because pretty much gonna go to work, and it's another work week. Not much gonna go on, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and let me know what you guys thought about it down below. And sorry, we basically just chatted. I chatted the whole time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video.